Have you ever wondered which magical tool brings your favorite anime scenes to life? Let's dive into the age-old question. Premiere Pro or After Effects for crafting epic anime edits. Will break down their strengths, so you can choose the perfect weapon for your creative arsenal. Firstly, let's get the basics right. Premiere Pro is your go-to for the foundational elements. Think of Adobe Premiere Pro as your scene assembler. It's where you lay the groundwork, import your anime clips, arrange them in the timeline, cut and trim them to build the basic structure of your edit. Premiere excels at managing multiple video tracks, adding audio, and seamlessly transitioning between scenes. It's the master of overall project organization. It's your editor for the primary cut. You can add basic effects within Premiere such as brightness and contrast, and adjusting the colors, but it's not the strength here. While Premiere Pro offers some built-in effects, After Effects comes in handy for the next stage of the anime magic. Now, let's talk about where After Effects truly shines. Special effects and motion graphics need to create dynamic titles, animated effects, or complex visual enhancements. After Effects is your champion. It is great for more complex editing. This program lets you create intricate particle systems, add custom animations, and composite various layers to achieve stunning visual results. After Effects handles the wow factor. It is ideal for transforming simple anime clips into captivating masterpieces. So, which should you use if your goal is fundamental editing, cutting, general assembly of scenes? Premiere Pro is your primary tool. It is easy to learn, and you can create simple effects here. But if you want those breathtaking special effects, or the ability to add detailed animated graphics into your anime edits, then After Effects is the go-to for your project. In reality, some editors use both. They build the scenes in Premiere Pro and refine them by including the effects and animations at After Effects. Both are powerful programs with a ton of potential, so pick the best one for your project.